if we're being honest with ourselves, okay, nobody has that time to come and be layering products up and down. Me, I don't have the time, and I know that you don't have the time. That is the reason why I have simplified this particular skincare routine to just few products, 3 products to be precise. The fourth one is optional. Optional. You're going to get to know why it is optional if you watch this video from the beginning till the end. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy, with the beautiful skin. I hope you're doing well because I am. And if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe so that this will not be the last day you see this face on your screen. And to my returning subscribers, welcome. My OGs, welcome to a new video. So for this exact routine, you just need 3 products, okay? The more simpler the routine is, the more effective the products are on your skin. Do not let anybody to deceive you that the reason why it is not working is because you're not using enough. You don't need to be layering multiple products on your skin. Remember that your skin is a very, very delicate place, so you don't need to be layering too much, okay? So in this very video, I'm going to be showing you just 3. You only need 3, and the 4th one is optional, okay? It is optional for a reason, which you're going to be finding out very soon. So the very first thing you're going to be needing in this skincare routine will have to be a wash. You just need something that can wash your skin. Simple. Wash and cleanse your skin from dirt, oil, bacteria, germs, and keep your skin clean. And what I'm going to be recommending this particular one from Simple. This is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. This is very healthy, and this is for all skin types. Whether you have a combination skin, oily skin, textured skin, aged skin, acne-prone skin, you can use this, okay? But remember that this is not a treatment wash for those that have more skin concerns, okay? This is just the basic that anybody should have in their skincare stash. So this particular one contains vitamin B5 and vitamin E, okay, which would help to keep your skin to be very well nourished and well clean as well. The particular product is kind to the skin. It is 100% soap free for all skin types. No color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. One thing I like about this particular wash, okay, because I've personally used it myself, is that it is so kind to the skin, just as the brand says, okay? It is kind to the skin. It does not upset your skin. You cannot tell me that you have a breakout from using this particular product. It is not possible. It is that good, okay, when it comes to keep making sure that your skin is calm, okay? It will not irritate your skin, and it will make sure that your skin is properly washed. So once you have washed your skin from the shower, the next thing you're supposed to be needing is a serum. And for this, you're not supposed to be using any treatment serum or any kind of serum that might upset your skin, because at this point, you're trying to keep it minimal and quick. So you're going to be using the Face Fact Ceramide Serum, which is this. This particular one is a must in my skincare stash and my skincare routine, because it contains ceramide that would help to make sure that my skin barrier is not broken. And just in case my skin barrier is broken, this particular serum revives it. And one thing I like about it is that it is very affordable and it works. It retails for just 6,500 naira, and this particular one works. It works so well. You don't need to break the bank. And one thing I like about it as well is that it soothes, protects, and hydrates the skin. So no matter your skin type, you can use this serum. Trust me, you can. And you're supposed to apply like 2 drops on your skin and make sure that you massage thoroughly on every part of your face so that your face will absorb this goodness. If you have this particular serum, you will know that it is a magic in a little bottle. So after your serums, you're going to be needing a moisturizer to seal and lock in all the goodness that you're going to get from this serum. And for moisturizers, I will recommend the most affordable moisturizer that you can get in the market. It retails for 8,000 naira, and this particular one is from Simple. This is Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I think they have another type of moisturizer from Simple, but this is the particular one that I'll be recommending for you. Take a screenshot. This is the Simple Lightweight hydrating moisturizer. This particular moisturizer keeps your skin super moisturized. Listen, I have used expensive moisturizers. If you're following me on this page, okay, you would know that I have reviewed expensive moisturizers, and let me tell you, they did not work. I had to run back to this goodness. Okay, it is affordable. It retails for 8,000 naira. I've used moisturizers that they were retailed for 30k plus, 20k plus, and they did not do anything on my skin. And this is the one that finally worked. It is gentle, it is mild, kind to the skin. Okay, it does not have any color, no perfume. It's just kind to the skin, just the same way that this particular wash is also kind to the skin. Another thing I like about it is that it is very, very light. It sinks into the skin so fast, so fast. It will not leave any residue on your skin. It will help to make your skin super, super moisturized. As an oily skin girly, my skin loves this moisturizer, and it is for all skin types, whether you are dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, any kind of skin. As long as your target is to make your skin moisturized, then this is the one that I will recommend for you. Now, coming to the last product that you're going to be needing in this routine, which I said is optional. If you are always indoors, do not get this product. But if you are not indoors and you are not using actives, then you need a sunscreen in your routine. I will tell you people the truth. I'm not going to come here and sugarcoat anything. I do not use sunscreens on the days I'm not going out. Example, today, I know I'm just going to be at home filming. I'm not going to use any sunscreen. I have had my bath and I did not use any sunscreen. I only use it when I'm going under the sun. And for sunscreens, I'm going to be recommending this very effective one from Skin Aqua. You need all the protection that you can get from the sunscreen when going under the sun, okay, so that your skin will not be burnt by the sun. That is the reason why I would recommend that you apply this generously on your skin, on your face, on the days you know they are going to be stepping out of your house. But if you know you're going to be indoors, please save your money, save your time, save your skin, and do not use this, okay? I use this generously on my skin on the days I'm going to be going out, so I will not get sunburned. But if you're also using actives and you are at home, okay, you are always at home and you're using actives in your routine, actives like tretinoin, any retinol, like tretinoin and adapalene, benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, any of this that you're using, please make sure that you're also using your sunscreen. But if you're not using any active, if this is just the routine that you're going to be sticking with, then if you're always indoors, you don't need a sunscreen. And one thing I like about this is that all these products here are super, super affordable, okay? And they are available for you to shop on Skintress store. In case you're looking for somewhere you can shop your authentic skincare products, you can patronize them. Their number will be in the description box below. And these are the products that I would recommend for you to lay your hands on. If you're someone that is very busy, you don't have the time to layer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 steps, okay? These are the only ones that are very, very important for you to add in your skincare stash. If you have watched a particular point of the video and you know you learned something on how to narrow down your skincare routine to just these 4 simple steps, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay, so that I can know that you really enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, turn the notification bell so that you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube, and leave a comment in the comment section telling me any of these products that you are using and how they're working for you. I want us to engage in the comment section so that people will get to see that, oh, these products are actually working, that I'm not just hyping them for nothing. Most importantly, share this video to people that you know that are actually looking for content like this. They don't have much money to spare and they still want to glow up their skin. They want to have a healthy skin. Share this content to such people. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.